In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock chats on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then tap right here to head over to chats, and after that we need just to drag it down until it shows us lock chats here at the top. Then we need to tap at lock chats. Keep in mind that it requires Face ID to get access to your locked conversations. As you can see here, I got 3 chats, and in order to unlock a chat, first off, we need to get to the chat. Then tap right here at the very top at a contact's name or at a phone number. And then just scroll down until you find lock chat. All we have to do now in order to unlock it is just tap right here to turn it off. It will also require Face ID to continue. Now I've just unlocked a conversation. It is no longer displayed here. That's because it was moved to my main chats list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.